So the question we have currently, find the real root of the equation x cubed minus 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. Correct to 3 decimal places using Newton Raphson method. Okay, so let's try to solve it. So firstly we need to find two values that will be a and b such that fa and fb should have opposite signs. Okay, which means if fa is positive, if fa is positive, then fb should be negative, and vice versa. So let's me try to find out a and b. So if I take a is equals to, let's try with a very simple one, 0. So if I take it 0, so what will be f of 0? It will be minus 5, negative. Okay, if I take a is equals to 2, what is f of 2? 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, minus 2 to the 4, minus 5. This will be minus 1. Okay, good. If I take a is equals to 3, so what is f of 3? 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, minus 3 to the 6, minus 5. It will become 6 5 11 26 and 10 16 plus of 16. But this is a very huge number. Let's try a with 2.3. What will be f is 2.3. Why I am taking 2.3 is I am seeing like for a is equals to 2, I got minus 1, and if I am increasing the values, this value is increasing, so I am just trying to increase something. So this will be 2.3 cube minus 2 times 2.3 minus 5. I'm going to use the calculator here. .3 cube minus 2 times 2.3 minus 5. This is 2.567. This is also very huge. Let me try with 2.0 2.05. So f of 2.05 will be 2.05 cube minus 2 times 2.05 minus 5. This is negative of 0.484875. It's still negative. Let me try with a is equals to 2.09. f 2.09 is equals to 2.09 cube minus 3 times 2.09 minus 5. No, it's 2 times. 2.09 minus 5. It is negative of 0.050671. Let me take a is equals to 2.11. F of 2.11 is equals to 2.11 cube minus 2 times 2.11 minus 5. Yes, 0.173931. Okay, now we have got two things. You see, here it is negative and here it is positive. So from these two values I'm somewhere confirmed like the root will be between these two. The root will be between 2.11 and 2.09. The root will be between these two. So let us consider like a is equals to 2.09 because fa is negative, and let's say b is equals to 2.11 because fb is positive. Now what can we do here? Now let's assume
incoming call from Geo, my number identified by Truecaller.
Let me assume here we have got a and b. Which of them is more close to 0? Like when I solved this, what was the answer? Negative of 0.050671, and this one was 0.173931. So which one is more close to 0? Obviously this one. We know fa is more close to 0. fa is more close to 0. So our initial approximation will be a is equals to 2.09. So let's try to find out our first approximation root. So for first approximation root is equals to x naught is equals to x1 is equals to x naught minus fx naught upon f dash x naught. Okay, so x1 is equals to, what is x naught here? X naught is also called the initial approximation. So this will be 2.09 minus f of 2.09 upon f dash 2.09. So we are given fx is equals to x cube minus 2x minus 5. What we are given? fx is equals to x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. So what will be f dash x? This will be 3x square minus 2. So now we need to calculate the x1 again. So the x1 was 2.09 minus fx1. Here I am going to put my 2.09 cube minus 2 times 2.09 minus 5 upon f dash x, which means 3 times 2.09 square minus 2. Now we need to solve this. So what will be x1? 2.09 minus, I'm going to use the calculator. Nine cube minus 2 times 2.09 minus 5. This is negative of 0.050671 upon 3 into 2.09 square minus 2. This is 11.1043. x1 is equals to 2.09 minus, this is minus again, so this will become plus. Make it clearly. Hmm. 0.050671 divided by 11.1043. This will become 0.004563. Now we need to add it. 0.004563 plus 2.09. So what is our x1 now? 2.094563. This is our x1. So this is our x1. So if I try to calculate fx1, what is our fx1? It will be 2.094563 cube minus 2 times 2.094563 minus 5. I'll use the calculator. 2.094563 cube minus 2 times 2.094563 minus 5. So this is 0.000128. Now it's very lucky for us, like with the very first approximation itself we got 3 zeros here, so we can conclude our answer here, because in the question, if you see, the question was we need to find out the answer correct to 3 decimal places, which means at least up to 3 decimal places it should be 0. But for for our confidence, or what we say, for more precise answer, I'll do it just one more time so that we will get more precise. So we have got x1 already, so we can try to find out the second approximation root. Second approximation root, that will be our x2. So x2 will be x1 minus f x1 upon f dash x1. So let's try it. What is our x1? x1 was 2.094563 minus f of 2.094563 upon f dash 2.094563. So I'll find it now. 2.094563 minus, I think this we have already calculated here. You see, this we have already calculated, this value from here I have already calculated, so I can directly put it 0.000125 upon f dash x. What is f dash x? 3x square minus 2. 3x square 3 0 9 4 5 6 3 square minus 2. Let me use calculator. I'll write it once again. 0 9 4 3 times 0.094563 का square minus 2. This is 11.161584. So this will be 2.09456 minus 0.0001285 divided by 11.1615824. So this become 1.151270. 2 minus 2.094563 minus 1.151270. So the answer is 0.943293. See, now we are moving away from 0. So rather than this, I am going to take the root as this one. This is going to be a root. X1 will be the root. What is root? 2.094563. 2.094563.